application industry of CNC slant lathe. And the third part is machine display. And fourth is factory ability. So let's begin. Comes to the first part is the confirmation of slant lathe. So first, we need to know how does the CNC slant lathe works. And here show you a video to know how it works. You can see this video. Here is an lathe. It's a CNC lathe. It's processing the workpiece now. And this is the all kinds of processing. And here's the workpiece. Yeah. Yeah, that's the video. Show you how it works, and how do we choose an right CNC slant lathe. So first, we need to confirm the maximum size of your workpiece, and the second is the maxi length of your workpiece, and also, we need to confirm the accuracy needs of your requirement. And we'd better have your drawing of your workpiece. So if we have all these details of your workpiece, we could give you a suitable recommendation of an CNC slant lathe. Okay, and so here's the machine selection. First is the workpiece. The slant lathe is used to process large workpieces. If you want to process, if your workpiece is large and you want to process it, and you can choose our CNC slant lathe. And the second one is machining accuracy. The slant lathe has high machining accuracy and strong automation. So, as we all know, the machine accuracy is very important for the CNC slant lathe. So it depends on what you need. And here comes the last part is performance. The inclined lathe has strong bending and torsion resistance, and the spindle speed is stable. So if we only this thing to processing your workpiece, you can choose our CNC slant lathe. Yeah, here comes the part 2. I'll show you some application in this industry, in this area. You can know how it's used for slant lathe. So here's some auto parts. If your workpiece is this auto parts, you can choose our slant lathe. Yeah. Well, industry. If you want to process this kind of workpiece, you also can choose our CNC slant lathe. Yeah, here is hydraulic cylinder. And if you also want to process the CNC lathe, slant lathe will be a good chooser. Okay, here comes the part 3. In this part, I will show some machine samples, machine type of our CNC slant lathe. Yeah, here we go. This is two pictures of our slant lathe. You can see the machine bed is slant. Yeah, this is the whole machine body, the front picture. Yeah, and you can see this chat is we have ALTC 36A, 46A, also 50A, and these three is our main types, and the specifications of it is so for the 36A, the maximum sewing overbed is 360 millimeters, and for 46A is 460 millimeters, and for 50A is 560 millimeters. For the maximum processing length, 36A is 300 millimeters, and 46A is 350 millimeters. For 50A is also 350 millimeters. For the spindle ball, the TCK 36A is 48 millimeters, and 46A is 56 millimeters. For the 50A is 66 millimeters. And for the tool turrets, all these three types are 8 station. Yeah, and here's also the pictures of these types. You can see that there are two pictures. And here's also the slant lathe front pictures. And here is another case of our slant lathe. We call it TCK 6332 and TCK 6340. TCK 6340S and TCK 6350, and also shows the specifications for you. The the maximum sewing overbed is for 6332 is 320 millimeters, and for 6340 is 400 millimeters, and the plus S is also 400 millimeters. But for TCK 6350 is 520 millimeters. And for the maximum processing length, the TCK 6332 is 250 millimeters. The TCK 6340 is 200 millimeters. And TCK 6340S is 400 millimeters. And for TCK 6350 is 410 millimeters. And the spindle ball, this three, TCK 6332 and for 0 and plus S, its spindle bowl is all 48 millimeters. But for TZK 6350 is 66 millimeters. And the turret type is this four types are all roll knife. Yeah. And here also the pictures of these types CNC slant lathe. And here comes an uh, detailed one. We call it slant lathe ALG XL 400. Yeah, I will show the detailed this type to you. And here is the machine bed, the whole machine picture. Yeah, you can see the inside overview of this type. And the control panel, control system here. And you can see the three door here, and the turret, and the tail stop here. And the full machine bed is slant. It's inclined. And here is the turret. And here show you the spindle rotary working video for you. Yeah, you can see from this video our CNC inclined lathe machine is processing the workpiece. And we can see it again. And also here show you a video for working the whole details of working process. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, and then the maximum speed is 4,000 RPM. Yeah, it shows the whole processing. Yeah, this is the electrical tail stock, and for this type is the standard parts. Yeah, and for this one is hydraulic. Yeah, we can see it again. Yeah, the tail stock. Yeah, it's 24 millimeter per minute. Yeah, 4,000 RPM. And electrical tail stock. Yeah, move backwards. Okay, this is the full details of processing. And here is the video of cooling workshop, and we will show you the cooling working view. Yeah, you can see this. The cooling system is working when the machine is processing the workpiece. Yeah, we can see it again. Yeah, it's a perfect cooling system. Yeah, you can see from these two pictures, it's our cooling system. And here is the main specifications of this type CNC slot machine, slot lathe. So the processing range for the so first is the bed structure, and it's 45 overall bed, and the maximum turning diameter above the bed is 580 millimeters, and the maximum turning diameter above the work table is 330 millimeters. The maximum longitudinal travel is 450 millimeters, and the maximum lateral travel is 250 millimeters. For the spindle speed range is 50 to 3,000 RPM per minute. And for this type, the number of tools is 8 pieces, and the tool change method is shortest path. Change your tool nearby. And here is also the other specifications. Yeah, here comes the machine accuracy testing. And the accuracy of machines includes geometric accuracy, transmission accuracy, positioning accuracy, repeated positioning accuracy, and also workpiece accuracy. Different types of machine tools have different requirements for this aspect. Machining accuracy is an important index to measure the performance of machine tools. And here comes the accuracy testing view. Yeah, we use this step gauge and check set and inspection rod to testing the accuracy. And we also check the accuracy with the check rod, dial indicator, and bridge ruler. And you can see from these pictures, our workers are checking the accuracy now. And we use laser detector SJ 6000 laser to check the machine accuracy. And here's a video for you to say the performance. Yeah, you can see this machine is range-short laser interferometer, and we use this machine to check the accuracy and also for the quality inspection. Yeah, range-short laser interferometer. And here is the main accuracy parameter. And for the x direction positioning accuracy is 0.008 millimeters. And for the z direction positioning accuracy is 0.01 millimeters. And the spindle centering shaft diameter runout is 0.005 millimeters. So you can see all these accuracy parameters. And here is also video for you. Yeah, this is our customer check the uh, incline bed since lathe, and the process is excellent and keeps improving. And we can see it again. Yeah, you can see our clients. He's checking the CNC lathe. Yeah. So for now, I will talk about our machine parts and our CNC slant machine parts. First is our control system. Yes, our standard configuration of our equipment system is GSK, and we can provide customers with different CNC systems according to your needs. So if you wanna make it for Siemens system or other system, we can provide it to you. And this is also the GSK control system. And this is the Siemens 840 and 828D and also 808D. If you want to equip with Siemens control system, we can make it for you. Also, we could equip a Fnac and Mitsubishi for our clients, and it all depends on you. And we can see the Fnac control system here. Yeah. This is the whole Fnac control system. We can see it again. Yeah, the whole Fnac control system. Yeah. We also could equip with KND and Syntec. Yeah, there are many kinds of control system. Okay, here is the turret. Uh, Here is the six stations turret, and here is the eight stations turret. You can see from these two pictures. We can put eight tools in it, and here is the tools. You can see this is the package of our tools, and these two pictures is the two kinds of the tools. And this is another kinds of tools. And for your requirements, we can equip with this for you. And for your processing requirements, we need to figure out which tools you should need. And here's the chalk, the three-draw chalk here. Here, the three-draw chalk. Yeah. For example, customers can configure customized machines for processing metal rings. And this is the hollow chuck. And basically, hydraulic chucks can be installed on the standard lathes. According to customers' requirements, there are basically no restrictions. Yeah, you can see this, and it's this assembly of hydraulic chuck, and there is a hexagonal nut inside the blue frame chuck. You can see the blue the blue frame chuck, and which can be screwed down with the inner hexagon. Yeah, then screw down the six nuts in the bed in the right frame. Yeah, then screw down the six nuts. Yeah, the six nuts in the right frame, and the chalk can be removed. Yeah, with these two steps, the chalk could be removed. Yeah, this is also the hydraulic chalk, and it's a three-jaw, and yes, a three-jaw hydraulic chalk. Generally speaking, three-jaw trucks are commonly used in hydraulic trucks and manual trucks. And the size of the workpiece determine the size of the truck according to the size of the workpiece. Yeah, uh, so that's why we want to know your size of your workpiece. So um, the truck depends on the size of the workpiece. Yeah, different workpiece should equip with a different truck. And whether hollow or solid depends on the processing requirements of the customer's workpiece, and whether the spindle through hole is required. The shape of the workpiece determines the shape of the jaws of the truck. Yeah, and the shape is also important for the um, jaws. And here is the tail stalk. Yeah, you can see the two pictures is our tail stalk, and also our slant tail stalk is all hydraulic. And so the function of the tail stalk is meaning to fix the long workpiece, prevent the workpiece from moving or vibration during the processing, and which affects the processing accuracy. So it's very important for an accuracy part. And if you want processing, uh, if you have any processing needs for high accuracy, yeah, the hydraulic tail stalk is important. And here comes the motor of the since it's slant lathe. Yeah, the motor pictures here. And here is the pictures of both screw. And you can see these two pictures. Line guide, both screw. And here is under machine's hydraulic system. You can see this is the under of the machine. It's the hydraulic system, and I'll show you a video. Yeah, you can see the three-jaw hydraulic system. Yeah, the foot pedal. And this is the lubrication system. And we use RBCLB2BZK. And this is the model of the lubrication system. And the brand is Hejin. It's a domestic one. And here is the lubrication system. And here is on the it's inside the whole machine body, and it's at the backwards of the whole machine. And here is the electrical system. You can see the complex electrical system here, and also show you a video. Yeah, you can see the electrical cabinet. Inside the cabinet is the whole electrical system. Yeah, we can see it again. Yeah, electrical cabinet, the full electrical cabinet, and inside the electrical cabinet is the electrical system. And for this type is the FNAC system. And here comes the part 4, factory ability. And in this part, I will introduce our factory and also the machining ability here. And here is our CNC lathe factory. and we are a factory that manufactures mechanical equipment. Here also some videos for you to let you know us better. Yeah, this is the real thing is interior of our CNC factory, outside view of the whole factory. Yeah, you can see the whole factory is so big. Yeah, and here is also the factory of our CNC lathe. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can see the inside view. Okay, let me introduce the machining ability. And first, we have many steps of machining. And first step is aging test. And I'll show you a video to know aging test better. Yeah, you can see all this raw material we we made time sensitive inventory stacking there, and after the inspection of timing, and we will select it and use it. You can see these two pictures. This is all raw material aging, and here is also the raw materials. Yeah, this is main mechanical structure parts, and it's the lathe base, and we keep it aging outdoor. Let's say it again. Yeah, and this is the another view of our raw material aging test. And the second step, we call it tempering. And for this technology, most factory do not have this step. So I'll show you a video first to know the tempering better. Yeah, you can see our workers is working with the workpiece, and the workpiece enters the tempering furnace for secondary tempering. Yeah, all these raw materials need to um, get a secondary tempering. Can see it again. And as we all know, the secondary tempering is very important for the machine quality. Yeah, it makes the machine bed on other parts stable. Yeah, many factory don't have this step. Yeah, then we will after last two steps, we will make an idling test. Yeah, yeah, mm, we will make the machine working without any workpiece for almost 24 hours or 48 hours. And then here is the processing area. Yeah, you can see this. You can see this. Uh, this shows our machining ability, and this is the raw material inventory. Yeah, we can see it again. Yeah, this is all the raw materials need to processing. Yeah, you can see this. This picture is the whole processing area of our CNC lathe factory. And also, these two pictures also shows our lathe factory. You can see the planer roughing equipment. Yeah, and also this is the another side, another view of processing area. Yeah, you can see the CNC lathe machining ability here, and we are milling, drilling, and tapping. We have many sets of guarantee machine to process the um, CNC lathe. Yeah, you can see our worker are working now. Yeah, the whole machine factory. Yeah, here is also a video. Yeah, you can see the 10 medium size bridge type CNC milling machine is processing the CNC the machine parts here. Yeah, you can see. And the next step is spray paint. After we processing the workpiece, the CNC machine parts, we will spray paint for them. And for this step also depends on your needs. And here comes the service. For the after sales service, we have 24 hours online service, and we have 26 English speaking engineer to provide 24-hour after sales service. And also our engineer will be the first time to answer customer questions. And you can see from this screenshot, and this is our clients from Canada. Yeah, and he found his machine has some noise, and our technicians come to help him and figure it out. And you also can see this. This is the client from Mexico, and and the machine comes to his factory, and he will send us some pictures when he still install it. And we also have local agent after sales service. We have overseas after sales service teams in Mexico, Brazil, Canada, Russia, Australia, India, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, South Africa, Sri Lanka, and many other countries. In Mexico, we have a professional engineer, Alfonso, who can provide door-to-door service, and he has worked for a Bangor for a long time, and is very professional in electrical. So for the after-sales service, you could not be worried about this. And in this bad situation, uh, we cannot go out because of the corona, and we will provide the 24 hours online service, and it's also better for you to handle and solve these problems, and we could make it immediately and give you an best answer. Okay, today's topics is over, and if you want any slant lathe, and if you do not know how to confirm this machine, and you can contact us, and we will figure it out for you. And hope you get hope you have a good day. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.